Welcome to this demonstration on using a vacuum mixer to prepare a patching compound for casting. To use this material, the powder needs to be mixed with water. However, mixing in open air at atmospheric pressure introduces bubbles, trapping air pockets inside the medium. These air bubbles are undesirable for casting and should be avoided or eliminated. That's why we'll use the vacuum mixer for this task. The powder and water will be mixed under vacuum in a stainless steel container, ensuring the mixture is free of air. The vacuum mixer also shortens the mixing time and achieves thorough blending thanks to its planetary motion design. This versatile compound is ideal for patching plaster, wallboard, wood, brick, and concrete. Its main ingredients are calcium carbonate and silica, making it fiber-reinforced and capable of being sawed and drilled once dried. The compound is supplied in powdered form, mixes quickly with water, and sets within 30 minutes. It's non-shrinking, sandable, and paintable, so it is a great choice for this type of casting project as well. The benchtop vacuum mixer from Spruce Science is a great tool for thorough mixing under vacuum. Thank you for watching. Come visit us at sprucescience.com.